We've woken up and nothing has changed, right? And then we have to get up and get going. And this is where the survival mode kicks in. This is where we just keep the status quo going. We're not thriving, we're just surviving. To either distracting ourselves, looking up stuff, or helping people just to survive and maintain the status quo. And we've no time to ourselves. We don't know our instincts, we've lost our clarity, and we've lost our energy. So they're the behaviours that come out of those feelings that we're not able to cope with. 3 big feelings lead to 3 behaviours. Seeking information outside of ourselves, so we don't have any time. Self-doubt cycle kicks in, and that makes us doubt ourselves, and we lack self-belief, and so we go searching for more answers. So we go online. And then we get lost down a rabbit hole of information and more information and more information. So this leads to the scarcity mindset, where we just don't feel that we know anything of any value and really doubt ourselves. And so this self-doubt leads to the last one, which is we just maintain the status quo. We continue to support other people, over-support other people, give away all our time